This is B flat chromatic scale hands together. So both hands start below middle C, right hand 3 on B flat, left hand 3 on B flat below. Left hand's going to go finger pattern 3, 2, 1 because of this white note gap. Right hand's going to go 3, immediately swing under to B and then 2 on C. Watch carefully. Back to 3, 1, 3, 1. Left 2 on E. 3, 1, 3, 1. Left 2 on B. 2 on E in the left. And ready to stop at the top. Turn around. Now this time we have to do right hand 2 first in the gap on F. Back to 3, 1. 2 again in the right on C. 2 in the right on F. 2 in the right on C.